I've been busy working away building the Guitar Makers Alliance community, and it's really starting to come together. So I wanted to give you a sneak peek of what it looks like so far. Keep in mind, I'm the only one in there, so you will see some dummy posts from me and placeholders, but it should give you a really good idea of what it's going to look like. So let's have a look. I'm building the community using a tool called Circle. It's this really powerful engine for building communities, and it's got a lot of great features that we're going to use. So here I am right after logging in. I'm at my main dashboard, and it should look pretty familiar to you. Right down the middle is the main feed. And this has all the posts that are new since the last time you logged in. And unlike Facebook, it doesn't just pick and choose some things to show you. This is everything that you haven't seen yet. Now, where are these posts coming from? Well, if you take a look over on the left here, there's a menu down the left-hand side. It's broken up into different groups, and Circle calls these space groups, and each of those groups contains spaces. So for example, here's the Member Center space group, and in there I'll make announcements to everyone who's a member. There's an events and replays section where I'll post about upcoming video live streams, and you can even flip to the past live streams and you can browse through the back catalog of anything that you might have missed. It's a great reference tool. The next group is the community space group, and in there, that's our main chat area. So you can post and introduce yourself when you're new. There's a guitar building discussion area for all kinds of guitar talk, building, posting your build threads, asking questions, that kind of thing. And these will change over time. We'll add some, delete some, whatever makes sense to keep things organized. Down below the community space group is the courses space group, and this is where the courses live. I'm pretty excited about these. Mrs. Potvin Guitars is almost finished editing the last lesson in the Building Guitar Bodies course. Underneath the courses, there's a special course discussion chat space. I've just moved it there so that all the course chatter can go in there and stay separate from the guitar building discussion up here. And what that means is, if you're really not interested in courses, then you won't find any course chat up here in the guitar building discussion area. But if you're going through one of the courses, you and your classmates have a dedicated place to ask questions and talk about how the course is going and what you're working on. The next space group is called the Resource Library, and this will be all kinds of information, both written and video. So the Video Resource Library will contain short videos like tips and maybe pieces of live stream that I think are valuable to look at in the future. And workshops I envision as being longer videos, but they're not quite long enough to be a course, so they're not broken down into lessons and modules. Right now I have some of my longer form YouTube videos in here that describe longer processes or some of the Q&As, but that's the kind of thing that I expect we'll be putting in workshops. The last thing on the menu is this links section, and I'm pretty excited about this. Notice that there's an Android and iOS app for your phone. So once you install that phone app and log in with the same email and password that you joined the community with, you'll be logged into GMA on your phone. That means you can get alerts about likes and comments on your posts on your phone, but it also means you can carry the courses and the resource library and all the reference material right into your shop where you build your guitars. It'll be super handy. So that's all for this sneak peek. Next time, I'll take you on a tour inside one of the courses. I want to show you how they're laid out in modules and small lessons that are easy to understand and great to come back and refer to at any time if you need them in the future. I'm really trying to pack as much value as I can into a membership so that whatever you need at whatever skill level you're at, you'll find it inside the Guitar Makers Alliance. And that's not just educational material. It's also a community that encourages and supports you and is just a great place to hang out and talk about building guitars. I'll see you next time.